Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Evina Yayang Syaputri.
I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Bring it down, bring it down.
In this video, I will explain a little about the egg material, namely the sequence and series. Meaning of sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence or series of numbers that have a fixed difference. For example, as at the opening of D is accurate, namely the sequence of number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and so on. If you pay attention, the difference between those numbers is always the same, namely 2. The difference in a arithmetic sequence is called the difference or expressive mathematically as b. Each number that make up a sequence is called a term on expressive by on. For example, 1 equals first term, 3 equals second term, 5 equals third term, and so on. Meanwhile, the first term in the sequence is expressed mathematically as n. Definition of series. An arithmetic series is the sum of the first n term of an arithmetic series. The characteristic of an arithmetic series is that the number terms added have a constant difference. An example is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 and so on. So, what is the difference between arithmetic series and geometric series? The difference is that geometric series applies to geometric sequence, namely sequence whose partner is multiplication or division. The characteristic of an arithmetic series that differs it from a geometric series is that the difference in term is always constant. Sequence and series formula. Arithmetic sequence formula are usually used to determine the nth term of a sequence. Meanwhile, the series formula is used to calculate the number of nth terms in a correlation ring. Sequence formula. The sequence formula cannot be separated from the three variables mentioned above, namely the difference b, the first term e, and the quotient of the tenth term n. Mathematically, the tenth term un of an arithmetic sequence is formula as follows. Arithmetic series formula. The arithmetic series formula still contains the same variables as the sequence, such a variable a, b, and m. Mathematically, the arithmetic series formula is expressed as follows. Series in everyday life. Number 1. Learning sequence and series can be useful in everyday life. That an example lacks. Number 2. Determine the number of matches to make a trolley toy planner. Number 3. Determine the number of dancing members if the arithmetic sequence. Number 4. Determine the number of spectators at X level of the stand. Usually, X level of stand has a different number of seats. Example of sequence and series question. Example of a line question. Pak No opened a chicken salad stall. On the first day he opened, Pak No profit 20 chickens. On the second day, the chicken supply was increased to 24 chickens. On the third day, the supply was 28 birds. In the first week of opening, the number of chicken was increased at a constant rate. How many chicken did Mr. No profit on the seventh day? Example of series question. In meeting building, there are 10 rows of chairs in curtain pattern. The number of cells in the first row is 25. In the second row, it scares by 6 cells. The same addition applies to the following lines. Ability, addition level with meeting partner. If of the meeting participants are male, how many female participants?